Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical landscape rocks, the perfect solution for outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from landscape rocks, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best landscape rocks from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Emsco Group Lightweight Landscape Rock-Resin Sandstone. Transform your outdoor space with the Emsco Group Lightweight Landscape Rock-Resin Sandstone. Designed to blend seamlessly with your garden, lawn, or landscape, this natural-looking rock is the perfect solution for covering unsightly utilities like wells, pipes, and sprinkler valves. Measuring 15.5-inch height, 22-inch wide, this durable and lightweight resin rock withstands extreme weather conditions and includes 2 stakes for secure anchoring. Its realistic texture and neutral sandstone finish add a touch of authenticity to any outdoor setting. Whether you're enhancing your landscape's beauty or hiding unattractive fixtures, this rock is a functional and stylish choice. Plus, Emsco offers a full range of landscape rocks in various sizes and textures to match your aesthetic needs. Upgrade your yard today with the best in outdoor decor. Check the link below to order now. Number 2. Outdoor Essentials Deckorators 18-inch Tan Medium Landscape Rock. Upgrade your outdoor space with the Outdoor Essentials Deckorators 18-inch Tan Medium Landscape Rock. Made from durable fiberglass composite, this realistic, lightweight yet sturdy rock is perfect for hiding unsightly yard fixtures like well heads, electrical boxes, drain tiles, and more. Its natural-looking tan finish and irregular shape blend seamlessly into any landscape, making it a stylish and practical addition to your garden or lawn. Measuring 18-inch long, 23-inch wide, 13-inch height, this artificial rock is DIY-friendly, easy to move, and requires no heavy equipment. Plus, it's weather resistant and strong enough to support a grown person's weight, ensuring durability in any climate. Whether you're covering utilities or simply adding an organic touch to your yard, this Outdoor Essentials Landscape Rock is the perfect choice. Get yours today and enhance your landscape effortlessly. Number 3. Backyard X-Scapes Artificial Faux Rock Pump Landscape Decoration. Enhance your outdoor space with the Backyard X-Scapes Artificial Faux Rock Pump Landscape Decoration. This realistic, lightweight, and hollow synthetic rock is designed to blend seamlessly into your yard, garden, or poolside landscape with natural earth-toned hues. No fasteners needed. Just place it on soil, turf, or soft substrate for an instant landscape upgrade. Perfect for hiding irrigation pumps, sprinkler valves, well pumps, and other unsightly fixtures, this durable fiberglass resin rock is built to last with UV and weather-resistant acrylic paint that minimizes fading over time. Measuring 16-inch long, 13-inch wide, 9-inch height, it's the ideal size for easy placement in flower beds, along pathways, or near water features. Whether you're covering utilities or simply adding a decorative touch, this Backyard X-Scapes Faux Rock is the perfect blend of style and function. Upgrade your outdoor space today. Number 4. Orbit Granite Resin Rock Box Sprinkler Valve Cover. Keep your outdoor space neat and organized with the Orbit Granite Resin Rock Box Sprinkler Valve Cover. Designed to conceal irrigation and plumbing equipment, this realistic rock-style cover blends seamlessly into any landscape with its simulated granite or sandstone finish. Made from durable rotomolded resin, it resists fading, warping, and damage from weather or lawn equipment with generous interior space, height 19.5-inch, wide 21-inch, depth 25-inch, it easily fits anti-siphon valves, backflow prevention devices, pumps, and well casings. Compatible with major brands like Orbit and HydroRain, this lightweight yet sturdy cover is easy to install and features pre-drilled holes for optional landscape stakes sold separately. To ensure secure placement, whether you're protecting plumbing fixtures or enhancing your yard's appearance, this Orbit Rock Valve Box cover is the perfect blend of functionality and natural aesthetics. Upgrade your landscape today. Number 5. Algreen Large Realistic Outdoor Faux Rock Covers for Landscaping. Transform your outdoor space with the Algreen Large Realistic Outdoor Faux Rock Cover. This versatile and durable synthetic polymer rock is designed to hide unsightly yard fixtures like pipes, wells, electrical junction boxes, and sprinkler valves, while adding a natural aesthetic to your landscape. Unlike other decorative rocks, this hollow yet sturdy faux stone is built to withstand changing weather conditions, ensuring long-lasting durability. With its dark granite finish and realistic texture, it blends seamlessly into gardens, yards, and landscapes to enhance your home's curb appeal. Measuring 16-inch long, 18-inch wide, 21.5-inch height, and weighing only 4.35 ounces, this lightweight design makes it easy to move and reposition as needed. No assembly required. Just place it where you like for an instant upgrade. Perfect for gardens, pathways, and landscaping projects, this Algreen faux rock is both stylish and functional. Get yours today! That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.